Assalamu Alaikum everybody from the beautiful island of Bali, Indonesia. Today we are doing something crazy, something that might shock you, as you guys might have already guessed from the title and thumbnail of the video. We are trying world's the most expensive coffee. Yes, the most expensive coffee in the world. That is made out of poop. Actually, to be honest, we were going to miss this, but then after I learned about the whole process of making this coffee, I found the courage to try it, and now we are here finally in one of the best spots in Bali to try this experience. So this is not just a coffee drinking thing. You will get to see the whole process of making this coffee, and you will be given them different types of coffees to try and compare with Luwak coffee, the most expensive coffee. I told you it's named Luwak coffee. So now let's go inside, see how this world's the most expensive coffee is made. Let's go. So this is a ticket to enter today's cafe, coffee or garden, whatever you call. So you have to pay 100k Indonesian rupee, which is $6-7 US. It includes a few things like coffees and snacks. So now we'll be introduced to Luwak thing. To begin with, this is the animal itself called Luwak in the Indonesian language, but in English it is known as civet cat. We asked if they free the animal and they said yes. And the actual coffee that they serve and sell at their place comes 100% from Luwaks that are open in the wild. So that gave us a little bit of peace, and we continued. The reason this coffee is the most expensive coffee in the world is that these animals are basically naturally experts at choosing the best coffee beans. So they go from tree to tree and eat the best coffee beans. And since coffee beans are difficult to digest, they poop it out. After that, farmers go around and pick up the poops and send it to the washing and processing plants. And if you're wondering if this coffee is really safe and clean to consume, yes. So the coffee beans are protected with 2 layers. So it makes it safe for people to drink, because when they are processing it, they will peel off that 2 layers of skin. So the coffee itself is untouched by any bacteria. Awesome. And back in the days, they used to roast the coffee beans manually using these pans. But now they have these machineries that speed up the process by 10, 20, 30, even 100 folds depending on the size of the machine. And the garden we walked through was full of different types of plants like Arabica coffee tree, vanilla and cacao. So the coffee tour by our friend Ayu is done, and now we've come to a coffee shop where we'll be served different types of coffees. And this place is lovely. This is a coffee shop, and look at these seats, and the surrounding is just in nature, and we've got rice terrace behind. So as you guys can see. So this is an experience that you can only do in Bali. So if I left Bali without doing this experience, I'm sure at one point in the future I would regret it. So I'm glad that I'm doing it. So just the fact that it's made out of poo, it makes me nervous. So let's see how delicious it is. There we go, guys. That famous coffee. I'm not originally a fan of coffees. I don't drink coffee a lot. So my favorite type of coffee is coffee latte. But this is the pure black coffee without sugar. So let's see. Wow. This is so good. Honestly so good. It's like considering this is black coffee, it's not that bitter, and it feels so clean, to be honest. Like, it's just smooth. I love it so much. I love it so much. Yes. And these are the testers. So this is ginseng coffee, and this is chocolate coffee, this is pure cacao, this is vanilla coffee, and this is Bali coffee. Yes. So now this whole experience is costing us somewhere between $6 and $7. So we have got introduction from our friend Ayu and these coffees, and we got some desserts and very nice thing. Even if for people like me, like who is not really a fan of coffee, I can't even distinguish the difference of this coffee and the normal coffee.
Which one is your favorite?
Bellissimo. Luwak, definitely.
Luwak?
Luwak is
your
best.
Favorite?
Yes.
Okay.
So it's worth it. So now this is all about Luwak coffee experience. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to our channel so that we can be exploring, making adventures videos just like this. You guys take care of yourself. I'll get you up in the next one. Luwak.